Dude, are we still caught somewhere up here? Yep. You guys got it? Yeah, I got it.
Is it me again?
No, it's me. Got a huge tire Saturday night and crushed the bumper down there. It's Monday night. You know what that means, worst night, but something a bit different tonight. We were planning on pulling the motor out of the black car and putting it in the white car to debut the brand new car this weekend. Daryn tested the sister car to that Wednesday night and really liked it, thinks it's going to be better than this one, so we're making a switch. Stick around and stay tuned.
Might hold this wrench.
Do what?
Hold that wrench. This is gonna hold back here.
Getting there.
Where you put the bolts for the motor?
In that big one up there?
Okay. Is there another one down?
Yeah.
Hold on, George. We'll put that on in a second. See if we can get in here.
I think the stand keeps him from getting there. You ain't gonna make it.
Can you tilt it? How far can you tilt?
Well, the tilting ain't gonna do nothing either. You're hitting the stand.
It'd be easier on this side, Dave.
You want me to move my truck?
No, let me go in there. You're gonna have to pull back.
That's it.
while you're parked forward.
Yeah, let me.
You need to
Let
come
me get
out
in
the
there.
side. Come back at the side like we normally do. Come over to this side. That's where you normally come.
Can you help on
That
that
one
side?
right there. Take the pressure off on it a second, Doug. Let me see if I can't get this bolt off.
Oh, your bolt's still in there? Can you go up a little bit?
It's lunatic. That side from over there.
You're gonna have to push the car back because I'm locked in here. Your header's back on, yeah.
Push the car.
There, you're free. Is the belt off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Easy.
Hold it back over that way, Doug.
That's all right. I'm trying to. You got to get the headers off.
Keep going up, Doug. Hold on. Let me get it down here. Back. Can you do that? Grab the back. There we go. We're clear.
Clear?
Yep.
We need to ease eight, Hank. Okay.
Change. Okay.
I'm good on my side and back here to back.
It's all yours, Doug. Go your way. Back her up. Throw that bolt in there.
What bolt? Oh.
Watch your truck.
I'm gonna tilt it back, Dave.
Now the fun begins. Get to wash this. Motor's out for the time being. It's rolling over.
Good enough.
Washy time, and the white girl has arrived. We're shoved in the shop here in just a minute. Well, they're both in here. Got the motor set in. It did not want to go in. We fought it for 45 minutes and finally got it to drop in. That's going to do it for us tonight. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Gotta get the seat out of that car and put over here. A couple other things. And it'll be close to ready. Catch you all tomorrow. Flow race at Eldora on the TV. We're cramming on this. Nick and I are struggling with the batteries. It's Tuesday night. We're going. Not very fast, but we're going. Stuff laying everywhere. Dave's wiring the ignition. Still got a lot to do. Well, it's 8:45. We're about to call it quits for the night. They got the motor pretty close. We got to put a starter on it, put water in the radiator, oil in the dry sump, power steering fluid in, and it is ready to fire up. I'm gonna put Daryn's seat in there, seat belts, and I think a couple other things, and then it will be ready to go to the track. That being said, plans are for Friday night to run Granite City, the Lucas Oil Race, and then Saturday night at Peevely for the Bi-State Battle / UMP points. Also, want to let you all know, we have a website. You can check it out at DarynKleinRacing.com. We will have our t-shirts up there soon. We got the proofs today. Tomorrow we're going to decide what color we want to get them in, the hoodies and the t-shirts, and they will be going up. You'll be able to order them there, so stop by and check it out. Thanks for all the comments from Saturday night's storm video. Much appreciated. If you like what you're seeing, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by checking out the picture, clicking on the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. It's been a long 2 days. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you all later.